Hey, it's me, it's Wild, and I want to let you all know if any of you are going to TwitchCon 2018 in San Jose, California, coming up in a little bit of time here, you get your opportunity to meet me. I will be running my own booth at TwitchCon in Artist Alley in the Creative Corner. I will be at booth 50 where I will be selling my oil paintings that you've seen behind me. As you can see, they're kind of all gone because they're already being shipped there. And I also do acrylic liquid flow pours that you can see. They're stunning and beautiful. And I even do handcrafted candles. That's right, I'm a Renaissance man. So come by, take a look at the art, smell the candles. Perhaps you may even want to buy something. I'm gonna have enough free time where I'm gonna be demonstrating painting. Feel free to stop by and paint a happy little cloud. And I might even have enough time to come and talk to you about channel reviews, how I can help you grow. Let me know what you feel about your channel, what you struggle with, and I'll give you ideas on how I can help you grow and maybe even break out. And if you want to get a nice picture with me or just jam out, I'll be at my booth the whole time. So I just want to say, stop by at TwitchCon 2018 to see me. I'll do my best to help you out. Come up and say hi. Don't be shy. I'm pretty easy to talk to, as you see here. And we'll take a pic, and it'll be a good old-fashioned time. So I'll see you guys at TwitchCon 2018 at booth 50. I'll put a link in the description below, and also probably a graphic up of where you can find me and see that. Plus, don't forget to download the Twitch Events app, so that way you guys can keep up to date with everything. And I will see you guys all there. I look forward to meeting every single one of you and sharing a hug. Have a good one. Take care. Peace.